your tea, coffee, and settle down. So I have Mr. Sumit Kharbanda, who is here to take the event ahead. Mr. Sumit has a 16 years of experience. What he's going to do or how he's going to do, I think that I will leave it to him. But I give you a hint. He's here to explore certain dark secrets about us. There's a possibility of losing your ATM, PAN number or Aadhaar card number. There's a huge possibility that he is going to interact in such a way that he's going to explore certain hidden secrets and exceed with us through and through. So let us take it ahead. Sumit, stage is yours.
Thank you, Shrey, and good morning, everyone. I'm Sumit Kharbanda. I am an illusionist. I'm a mind reader. Actually, I play with mind. So I started doing magic long time back, like 16 years back, and then gradually I just shifted to doing mind reading and illusions, because there are a lot of people who, if there's like a bag full of magicians, there are like few who are mentalists. So I specialize in doing mind reading acts, and I also have some digital acts. Definitely, you'll come to know what these are acts all about. So today I'm gonna read your mind, your thoughts. If you have some film stars, or if you have some place in your mind, so I'm gonna reveal your thoughts or your ATM pin number. If your close friends, close relatives name, so that's a probability. And let me just show you what exactly I'm trying to say. I have this envelope here, and let me just ask somebody from the screen. I have this envelope here. It's something is written in this envelope, and that is my first prediction. Let me just start with Bithi Chauhan. Hi, Bithi.
Mr. Kharbanda, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you? So let me just start doing this. Let me start this first act with you, and just think of a number between 1 and 9.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah? You have a number in your mind, a single digit number in your mind, right? And you never like disclose this number before. We never talked on this.
No,
Great. So, do you want to change this number, or are you comfortable with this single digit number?
I'm not.
Great. So you have this. What's the probability? Like the same number is already written here in this envelope. What's the probability? Do you think I can do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's my first act, and you still have faith in me. That's really nice. So what's the number you're thinking of when I show you this envelope? Single digit number? Yeah. Tell me what's the number in your mind, and I'll show you this envelope.
It's number 4.
4. You said 4. Is it like your favorite number, lucky number?
Favorite, not lucky.
Okay, it's a lucky number. Maybe I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Let me just confirm it. Let me just confirm it by showing it to you. Shrey, can I please ask you to read this out?
4. He has written that you will say 4. Should I show?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please. Oh my god.
He has written you will say 4.
Great.
Great, thank you. And that was something. Some objects जो थोड़े funny दिखे, जो market में available नहीं है, जो किसी के पास नहीं है. So those kind of magic, I don't do it. So that's a dictionary. There are lakhs and lakhs of words here.
Yeah.
That's a normal dictionary. Am I right? Yes. So इसमें से कोई भी एक word random आप choose करने वाले हैं. And please keep that word to you. अभी मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पूछूंगा. Because earlier people are just thinking कि मैं पहले reply लेता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं कुछ टेकी सा कुछ कर रहा हूँ. But this time I'm gonna change this game entirely. So कहीं भी हम इस random word को select करते हैं, I have this bookmark. Let me just keep bookmark anywhere. So आप देख सकते हैं, there's no cheating. Yeah. I cannot see the page. अभी तक पेज ओपन नहीं हुआ है, अभी तक पेज रिवील नहीं हुआ है, बट ये सिर्फ आपके सामने रिवील होगा जब मैं इसको ओपन करूंगा यहाँ से पेज, and you only see the top word on this page, the word on the top. Yeah, right. And just keep that in your mind. I'm not gonna see it here. The top word here, right? That's in your mind, right?
Yes.
Okay. The word. I haven't seen the word, I have no idea, but still, please keep this. And the entire time the dictionary is in her hand, right? Right. So just like this. Right. The dictionary is here, and now my prediction starts. Now my prediction starts. ये envelope पहले से यहाँ रखा हुआ था, जिसको मैंने अब टच किया है. There are a lot of predictions already written here कि यहाँ पर जो भी स्टार्ट होने से पहले हुआ है, आप सरप्राइज होंगे ये जानकर कि इस एनवेलप पर पहले से लिखा हुआ है. मिस्टर आशीष गोयानी, मिस्टर आशीष.
Yes.
ओके, हमारी पहले कभी बात नहीं हुई है इससे, तो हम फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहे हैं. प्लीज एक बार एक्नॉलेज कर दीजिए सभी को.
Hello.
हम फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पर, कभी हमारी आज से पहले बात नहीं हुई है.
नहीं हुई है सब.
ग्रेट. सो आपको पता है इस एनवेलप के बैक पर क्या लिखा है?
No.
यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. See, you read my mind this time. See, you read my mind. But that's not the prediction actually. That's not the prediction. Mr. Saurabh. Mr. Saurabh Khanale.
Yes, sir.
So just think of any one alphabet between one A and Z. Just think of any one alphabet. Just keep that in your mind.
Okay.
And you'll be surprised to see it's already here. See, I've got this paper here. You got one alphabet, right?
Yeah.
And it's here. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out. So, what's the alphabet? Say it.
O.
O.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to change it? You want? No? See, it's here. This is O in Chinese. See, believe me, this is O in Chinese. और जिसको यहाँ पर Chinese आती है तो shh. This is O. See how the process works, huh? And now I'm gonna ask Mr. Jitendra Sapra. Just think of a fruit, sir. Think of a fruit. Any fruit, right? That instantly comes to your mind now. Say it. आपने कौन सा fruit सोचा है? Orange. So do you want to change it? So कर लो एक बार. Red color का भी एक fruit होता है. Orange, okay. हाँ, so here ये barcode है orange का, and आप check करेंगे. This will be surely be the right barcode. See how the whole process goes. And the word here, the last paper I've got here, the word I'm not gonna say my name? मेगा से मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पूछने वाला हूँ कि कौन सा वर्ड इन्होंने सोचा था, कौन सा वर्ड इन्होंने देखा है डिक्शनरी में, and I'm gonna reveal it here. The word is intelligence.
Yes, that's correct.
That's correct?
Yes.
That was another prediction, intelligence, जो एक लाखों में से एक वर्ड डिक्शनरी में से देखा गया, and the word was in her mind totally. Intelligence?
Yes.
Yes? And let's go on that page, man. And let's go to that page, क्योंकि वो पेज में हमने कंफर्म करना है, we want to show it to everyone कि वो इंटेलिजेंस है पेज या नहीं. See, actually the mind reading are impactful acts. So बहुत impactful रहते हैं. So अगर आप भी I think कुछ mind reading में मेरे से कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, you want some tips, definitely I'm gonna share some secrets with you. Definitely. जी.
No, it's not there.
So the word is not there, you said.
Yes.
The word is not there.
The page is not there.
The page is not there.
No.
Dictionary में entire time you all saw that कि वो entire time the dictionary was in her hand. मैंने बिल्कुल touch नहीं किया. The dictionary was in her hand.
I mean, that's surely not on the top, so I could not see that.
The page is not there. Okay, okay. मैं इसको थोड़ा simplify करता हूँ.
Something is teared from here. I don't know.
मैं इसको थोड़ा simplify कर देता हूँ.
Okay, yeah.
कुछ
that's-
है?
Yes, that's the page. Yes, this was the word.
And the page was not there in the dictionary. See, कैसे एक imaginary word बनकर मेघा के mind में आया and it was actually not there. Entire time it was not there in the dictionary. लेकिन वो page यहाँ से missing है. Page यहाँ से missing है. And now we can make 362 is the page number here with the word intelligence. We have 360, we have 363, but 362 is here. Great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Mr. Ashish Garg.
I'm here.
Somewhere. Sir, please, can I invite you? Maybe this is the last experiment I'm gonna do with Mr. Ashish here. So I'm applauding him. Thank you, sir, for coming. Yeah, please.
आशीष को आशीष बना के रखना.
Definitely, जैसे आए हैं तो वैसे ही
वैसे ही
बिल्कुल
वापस जाने चाहिए.
वापस जाएंगे. Yes, yes.
ग्रीन फ्लोर में है, ग्रीन में रहना.
कभी आपको किसी ने लाइक ट्राई किया, किसी ने हिप्नोटाइज करने का?
Not sure.
सी माइंड की ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होते ही हैं. तो माइंड को हम किस तरह से यूज करके हिप्नोटाइज भी कर सकते हैं किसी को. लेट मी ट्राई दिस. योर हैंड्स स्ट्रेट टुवर्ड मी. हिप्नोटाइज लोग जो कहते हैं वो ये कहते हैं कि कई बार जैसे भूत होता है, लाइक रात को अकेले जाना लोगों को डर लगता है, पेड़ के नीचे बैठना डर लगता है कि भूत आ जाते हैं. लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में हम बात करें, लाइक इट्स एक्चुअली हिप्नोसिस, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में हम बात करें तो कहा जा सकता है कि भूत भी आते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग इतना एक्सपीरियंस भी करते हैं. आपके साथ हुआ कभी? कभी एनकाउंटर हुआ किसी भूत के साथ? सही, यू कैन शेयर. सच में बता सकते हैं. आई थिंक आप थोड़े एक्सप्रेशन से मुझे लगा कि
ऐसा हो सकता है कि जब रास्ते से जब जाते हैं ना रात को, तो कहीं कुछ उनके माइंड में क्लिक हुआ हो.
यस यस, कुछ इमेजिनरी थिंग्स होती हैं, बातें होती हैं जो हम सोचते हैं कि वो कहीं दिख तो नहीं रही और वही चीजें विजुअलाइज. सॉरी, मैं वो बात करने में इतना बिजी हो गया. देखिए, सो दिस इज एन एक्स. मेक अ फिस्ट. दिस इज एन एक्स. तब तक मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट ऐसे होते हैं जो हम सोचते हैं कि इट इज एक्चुअली पॉसिबल. जो माइंड में विजुलाइज करते हैं वो कई बार नजर आ जाता है. भूत आपको नजर आया? नहीं, कभी भी. अभी तो मैं ही खड़ा हूँ आपके सामने.
सर ये सेल्स वाले हैं, मुझे पड़ता है.
सी मैं क्या करता हूँ, अगर उसी देसी भाषा में, देसी लैंग्वेज में बोलूँ ना, तो ये एक साइन है जिससे मैं एक घोस्ट कॉल करता हूँ. एक मैंने अपने हाथ पर एक्स बनाया है एंड द अनदर एक्स, सेकंड एक्स इज हियर जो इनके हाथ पर बना हुआ है फिर क्रॉस करके. ये अपने मैंने हाथ पर बनाया है. That's right. आपको किसी भी हाथ में कोई टच, कोई वार्मथ फील हुआ? No? See, the X is here in my hand. कुछ फील हुआ अभी? राइट लेफ्ट किसी भी हाथ में नहीं.
बस पॉकेट में फोन वाइब्रेट हो रहा है.
मे भी वो कॉल करके आ रहा हो भूत. Okay, now hands like open this hand.
This also. This is strange.
Thank you, सबको
You
camera.
can show it in the camera on the top.
Wow.
There's the camera.
Here's the camera.
Oh.
I just want to know.
Closing eyes now.
Yeah. मैंने आपके स्कल पे यहाँ पर हेड पे यहाँ टच किया है. आपको फील हो रहा है?
Yes, obviously.
Because there is a point here जहाँ पर मैंने टच किया है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि by just pressing here you will forget how to dive, you will forget how to swim. Do you know?
Anyways, I don't know.
You have to answer in yes or no.
Okay.
Okay, if I press here, you will forget to play piano. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you make pocket of white? This will be always in his mind.
So he said he cannot play the piano. Yeah, he forgets to, now he has forgotten to play the piano this time. And now, if I press on this part here on his skull, so you have to keep your eyes closed. If I press here on his skull, maybe he'll forget to read. ये देखते हैं कि possible क्या है. सर क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर, एक बार जोर से बताएंगे.
Carrots.
And close your eyes. And say it aloud.
Carrots.
सभी सुन सकते हैं? Yeah. So you said
Carrots. Mangoes हो गया क्या?
okay. The next, close your eyes. मैं आपको सबसे पहले दिखाता हूँ कि यहाँ पर एक वर्ड है. Yeah. So open your eyes now and read this word.
Airplane.
And next, let me just press harder here. One word, your eyes are closed, right? The word here is, right? Now open your eyes and read this word. जोर से बोलिए. क्या आप क्योंकि because we cannot hear. Read it, sir. We are waiting.
Erection.
Huh?
I don't know how to pronounce it. EDAPACTAN. What is it?
How would you pronounce it? Say the word, sir. Say the word.
EDAT.
No word. Say the word. How do you pronounce it?
Erection. That's how.
Close your eyes. Maybe this will be much funnier. So close your eyes, sir.
Can you just get it closer? A bit closer.
Now open your eyes and read this. Just the word, sir. Just the word.
The entire letter? Or
Yeah, entire letter. Completely, sir.
Again, this is not.
You cannot read it. कभी आपने देखा नहीं.
I can read it, but this is not the. Not
कभी
the
आपने ये
proper
word देखा नहीं अपने सामने. कभी लाइफ में देखा नहीं.
नहीं देखा.
है ना? So does this make any sense?
No, it doesn't.
No.
No.
And the word is?
MATNT.
No, the word is.
That's what I cannot pronounce it.
तो भी अगर बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे?
मैं टूटूंगा.
तो ये असर कितने दिन रहेगा?
ये 2 महीने रहेगा, क्वार्टर निकाल देगा तेरा। ये मार्च तक रहेगा।
Okay, the last. So you have to say the word. You are waiting कि आपको क्या ऐसा दिख रहा है, क्योंकि nobody can see here. आप बताएंगे अपना experience.
Real vulture.
Close your eyes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And close your eyes now again. And that's all. Now he's back in his senses. Thank you, sir.
ये कैसे होगा ये बता दो। पहले तो नहीं कराया था।
पहले तो नहीं था आपके हाथ में आने से
वही वही था तो।
यहाँ पर आने से पहले भी